Hello, y'all. This is Erin from BoodleBox. I just wanted to touch base on another hot tip as to how you can use this remarkable tool. So let's talk about HelpBot. So this guy right here is HelpBot. You can ask HelpBot to get you started at any moment. So for example, I asked HelpBot, how can I use BoodleBox to craft a marketing plan for my department? What it did was give me some ideas. So told me to use GenBot for ideation, evaluation capacity, so some ways to draft content and think through that, incorporating additional bots, and leveraging GroupChat so you can actually share your marketing plan out. So I started with marketing plan bot. Seemed to make sense. And as you know, or if you don't know, you can always change bots or add them to the conversation by clicking right here. You can X out the one you're working with. You can @ symbol. So if you're looking for marketing bot, helps if you can spell. You can put that right here and it'll pop it in, and the marketing plan bot or another bot can join your conversation. So marketing plan bot guided me through the conversation, told me what we were trying to achieve, asked for who I was targeting, and then actually wrote me, and this is for my daughter, eventually wants a nice adoption center for shelter pets. So we talked about how she could create Scarlett's House of Pets. And then I actually want to share it with her so she can see what we've done, and we're able to email that. So right here, you can share the chat with a link. It's that easy. Hop on over to your email and you can put it right in here. You can also do the same thing with copying content. So let's say I wasn't sure if she maybe would come over here, right? Teenagers are fickle. You can copy, go over here, and add the same thing. So she can actually see the marketing plan in and of itself. This, just a little hint, is called Crosstalk. So if I also wanted to share it with my other daughter, I could say, Maddie, what are your thoughts? And by adding the line right here, I was able to actually add my own thoughts into a conversation. Maddie can give me an emoji response. Scarlett can give me an emoji response, and they can continue the conversation. So that's a great way to get started if you're a little stuck. Start with HelpBot. Ciao.